My dear students, good morning to everybody. In the practicals, CBSE practicals, March 31st, commencement date 2021. Let us go for practicals. First of all, this practicals contains salt analysis. Salt analysis. 10 marks. Volumetric. 8 marks. This year, chromatography deleted, organic deleted. We have only two section C. One is colloids, lyophilic, lyophobic. You have to write both. 6 marks. Or proteins, carbohydrates. Salt analysis 10 marks, volumetric 8 marks, colloids, either you may have colloids or you may have proteins, carbohydrates 6 marks. Project 2. Record 2. Viva 2. Total 30 marks. Salt analysis 10, volumetric 8, colloids or proteins, carbohydrates section C. Only we have 2. Project work 2, record 2, Viva 2. Total 30 marks. Kindly listen. Number 1 is salt analysis. They will give a salt to you. Identify the anion and cation in a given salt. The question is through systematically qualitative analysis. So, anion, cation, we have to find out in a given salt. We have to calculate, we have to find out the given. What is anion? What is cation? That is anion, cation. At the last, you have to write report. The report carries 1 mark. Anion, a negative charge. Cation, a positive charge radical. You have to write report. That is anion, negative, cation, positive. You have to write last of this project. Salt analysis, last you have to write. Anion, it may be sulfate, chloride, bromide, nitrate. Let us go for discussion. Cation, it may be lead, copper, aluminium, magnesium, calcium, barium. Okay. First, before we are going to salt analysis, primary test, preliminary test, primary. Primary test. Number 1 is state. Number 2. First one is state, either crystalline or amorphous. Whether it is a crystalline or amorphous. You please observe the salt physically and you come to conclusion whether it is a crystalline or amorphous. Nobody can explain you. You see, you verify the salt and came to conclusion. Next, state, okay, physical state, okay. Next, color, color, COLOUR, no problem, COLOR. You please note it. Copper, nitrate. If it is a dark blue, copper sulfate, sky blue, light blue. If the salt is dark blue, that is copper nitrate. If it is salt is copper sulfate, light blue, sky blue, copper sulfate. So we have two salts. Another three. Ferrous sulfate, light green, another pale green, ferrous sulfate. I have mentioned only formula. Ferrous sulfate, FeSO4. Nickel nitrate, dark green, Nickel nitrate is nothing but dark green. When compared to ferrous sulfate, light, pale green, nickel somewhat dark green. Another two. Manganese chloride or sulfate, pink, pale pink, manganese chloride. So let me repeat regarding color. If it is a dark blue, copper nitrate, light blue, copper sulfate, light green, ferrous sulfate, dark green, nickel nitrate, pale. If it is a color is pale pink, that is nothing but manganese. So we have copper, another is nickel, another is ferrous, another is manganese. If a cation, copper we can identify because of the color. Nickel, because of the color we can identify dark green. Ferrous, light green. Manganese, pink. If it is a pink, that is manganese. So you can came to conclusion after watching the color without asking anybody. You can have a conclusion. So I have a copper nitrate. I may be copper nitrate, copper sulfate, nickel nitrate, ferrous sulfate, manganese chloride or manganese sulfate. If your salt is no color, that is white. So what you have to write? Absence of copper, nickel, iron, manganese. If it is a color, you verify the color and write inference. If it is no color, absence of no color. Salt has no color. Absence of copper, nickel, iron, manganese. Okay. Next, flame test. You take pinch of salt and add corn HCl. And prepare paste. You take pinch of salt and add corn HCl. Salt plus corn HCl. Paste. You take the glass rod or nickel spatula, whatever it may be. You place this paste and simply place this either gas stove or Bunsen burner, whatever it may be. If you have, let me repeat, you take salt and add corn HCl and prepare a paste. You take that paste with nickel spatula or with glass rod and place in the flame, either it Bunsen burner or glass stove burner. Then, if it is the color is when you are going to burn, that color is apple green. Apple green, that is nothing but barium cation, Ba plus 2. Apple green color, that is nothing but barium plus 2. Brick red, Ca plus 2. Crimson red, Strontium plus 2. Bluish green, that is nothing but Cu plus 2. So, I think these are the significant colors which we can identify. If you take a paste with glass rod or nickel spatula, then place it in the flame, either gas stove or Bunsen burner. The color is apple green. It may be barium. I am not sure about it is a barium. Maybe barium. Brick red, it may be calcium. Crimson red, it may be strontium. Bluish green, it may be copper. Rest of the salts do not have any significant color, so no problem. You kindly keep it in mind. Sodium, yellow, we have no syllabus. Lithium, we have no syllabus. So kindly keep it in mind. Barium, calcium, strontium, copper. Apple green, barium. Brick red, calcium. Crimson red, strontium. Bluish green, copper. A positive charge radical is cation. Negative charge radical is called anion. So first is crystalline amorphous state. Second is color. Third is solubility. Third is what you have done? First is state. Second is color. Third is flame test. What you have done? Flame test. Fourth one is solubility. All salts will dissolve in water. You take a pinch of salt in a test tube and add water. Solubility, salt plus water. Dissolved. All salts will be dissolved in water. Next one is heating. You take dry test tube and add salt and heat it. If you have a smell, if you have ammonia smell with pungent smell, if you have ammonia smell, no doubt while heating, if you have a pungent smell, and besides that, sublimation may be happen. White fumes may be applied. A solid converted to gas without converting liquid. Solid, SOLid, solid directly converted to gas. Solid converted to gas without converting liquid. This phenomenon is nothing but sublimation. Benzoic acid, camphor, ammonium salts. Kindly keep it in mind. Examples of sublimation: ammonium salts. Ammonium cation will undergo sublimation. Okay, I wish you all the best. Tomorrow I will continue. Okay, up to this one we will have a clear cut idea. Then we will go. We have a 2 marks. Then afterwards we can go tomorrow. Good night. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe it.